What is it, Riley? You got puppy dog? Puppy dog.
It has batteries in this thing. It'll come
What
back.
kind of battery?
Lithium or anything, just to move.
I mean, Joseph.
Hello. Look at that.
I can't get the Christmas thing off of it.
Give me a hug. Give me a hug. No, give me a hug. No. Give me a hug. No. Don't give your grandma a hug. Give me a hug.
I remember taking it off.
Baby, this camera, it says Merry Christmas, ho 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 on it. How do I get it out of there?
You gotta go into the menu.
Oh, maybe Chris can figure it out.
Yeah, it's really easy. Go into the menu. I don't.
But it's gonna record everything like that?
Yeah, until you take that off.
His dog. Recording everybody real quick.
Look up the camera.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, y'all. Come here.
He's like that with me too this morning.
He won't even go to Joseph.
Did you put those on him? Those are cute.
No, that was on him when I went picked him up.
Let me see it.
He just didn't have no sock.
Clothes, I got a lot of stuff.
Hey, sit up there with Papa.
See, this one got a lot of paper on it. He'd be there all day. Let him open the middle part. No, he did it.
Good boy. Look.
That's pretty. He's like, yeah, there's no way I don't want that.
He's like, okay, give me something else. I'm bored.
You having fun playing with that, Joseph? Aw, how sweet.
He's looking at the paper.
Oh.
To Chris and Jessica. You can open a couple now and then you can open a couple later.
Huh? I like these. They're cute.
What are those?
Thomas?
Oh, those bunny rabbits?
They're Hello
Those
Kitty.
little bunnies that Ashley likes a lot.
Yeah.
Those are cute. I like that.
Hold on, buddy. I'm getting it for you.
Hey, we haven't even opened our presents. I've been having Steve open one every hour.
Alright, I'm tired.
Yeah, it's all over, y'all.
This is what, from Chris and Jessica?
Yeah. Whoa.
Oh, cool. Oh, cool.
Took your eye out that
What
way.
is it?
There.
What is it?
Yellow
Hold it right
Junior.
quick.
That's nice.
No, but when you
It
it lights up.
Oh, cool.
It like it's like a little neon.
Like a
picture.
neon thing?
That's cool.
Oh, so it takes batteries?
Yeah, takes battery.
Cool. That's neat. I ain't never seen one of them before. Thank
He
you.
wants down. He don't want to be held today.
Let's see, hold it up.
He's too excited.
That's nice.